Congratulations on finishing this course. I am happy for you. Now, quick fact if you don't know yet. You see this course you have taken and paid price for it? Maybe $10, maybe $13 with discount, or even maybe you paid the full price, alright? You can get the same course or even better with extra exclusive content with only $5 on our platform, MMZ Academy. Now, a frequently asked question we receive is, why the price is too low for a good quality content and courses? Okay, to answer your question, our motto is, knowledge should be available for everyone. So our goal is to share the knowledge and help the people to find jobs by honing their skills as much as possible with only few bucks like $5. It is nothing. Alright? Now you have no excuse. It is time to learn and get the dream job you wanted. You will have the perks of career flexibility, higher salary, and improved technical skills. So what are you waiting for? Go to www.mmzacademy.com and start browsing the courses there, and for sure you can reach out to me through LinkedIn, Mus'ab Al-Zayadni. I will be very happy to answer you. Happy learning and good luck with your journey.